Did you know that cruise ship spas are some of the most luxurious in the world? Welcome aboard! Ready to dive into the ultimate cruise ship spa day? Trust me, it's going to be more relaxing than a cat in a sunbeam. Let's get started. Cruise ship spa days have become a popular choice for those looking to indulge in some much-needed relaxation while sailing the high seas. Imagine being surrounded by luxury and tranquility as you sail to exotic destinations. Sounds like a dream come true, right? But with so many cruise lines offering spa services, how do you know which one will truly provide the rejuvenating experience you deserve? The challenge lies in finding the best cruise ship spa day that caters to your specific needs and ensures a truly blissful escape from reality. Let's embark on a journey to explore the different cruise lines and their spa offerings. From soothing massages to revitalizing facials, these spas offer a range of treatments to help you relax and rejuvenate. Picture yourself surrounded by serene ambience, with state-of-the-art facilities that will transport you to a world of pure bliss. Now, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Here are some of the top spa services you can enjoy on a cruise ship. 1. Full body massages. 2. Aromatherapy sessions. 3. Facials and skincare treatments. 4. Manicures and pedicures. 5. Hydrotherapy pools. 6. Sauna and steam rooms. 7. Yoga and meditation classes. 8. Hair and beauty salon services. 9. Acupuncture and reflexology. 10. Couples spa packages. Enjoy these luxurious services to make your cruise ship spa day unforgettable. In conclusion, cruise ship spa days are not just about indulgence. They're about self-care and relaxation. Take the time to treat yourself and unwind while on a cruise vacation. Remember, it's essential to prioritize your well-being and recharge your mind, body, and soul. If you're dreaming of a spa day at sea, don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow relaxation enthusiasts. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite spa experiences on cruise ships in the comments below. Until next time, sail away to relaxation and rejuvenation.